In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to create an alternating repeater in Wix. This feature is a wonderful tool for offering your page a visually dynamic and engaging layout. Here's how you can add this element to your Wix website. Start by navigating to the option that says Add Elements, and within that, you will find a section named Repeaters. This is where your journey begins. You'll be presented with a range of pre-existing repeater patterns, also known as presets. You can either choose to use one of these presets for convenience, or you could opt to build your own custom-designed repeater. Freedom to choose is one of the hallmarks of Wix after all. Once you've chosen or created your repeater, the next step is to enable what we call the A/B design pattern. But first, you'll need to select the repeater on your page. Once selected, find the Open Inspector icon. It's generally located on the top right corner of the editor. Clicking on this icon will open up a menu of options. Now it's time to scroll down this options menu until you find the Layout section. Within this section, you'll find an option labeled Set A/B Design Pattern. Click on this to enable it. What this option does is that it divides the items in your repeater into two groups, known as Group A and Group B. Once your A/B layout is set, you'll notice your items have been divided into two distinct groups. If you ever want to see which items fall under which group, just look at the editor. You're now ready to start designing these groups. Begin with Group A by clicking on any item within this group. You're then free to make any desired design changes to these items. You could change the color scheme, add attractive borders, or even adjust the overall layout. Remember, these changes are exclusive to Group A items only. Next, it's time to design your second set of alternating items, Group B. Simply click on any item in Group B and begin applying your desired design changes, in the same manner you did for Group A. Any alterations you make here will only impact the Group B items. And just like that, you've successfully set up your alternating repeater in Wix. But don't forget, even though you now have two different design layouts in your repeater, you can still add and manage content for each item individually. And while your content may vary, the design consistency across groups A and B will remain the same. This way, you're able to have a dynamic, contrasting layout while also maintaining a neat, consistent look and feel. Isn't that just the perfect balance? And to think you did all that yourself. Congratulations and enjoy your new Wix design features.